scent of summertime, of beauteous trees and firs, the glistening of rain-soaked moss, going to the Dairy Queen at dusk. Down narrow roads in autumn light, the salt air and the sawmills and the bars are full of songs and tears to the passing of the tugboats and people with their big ideas. I just get home and then I leave again. It's long ago and far away. Now we're skimming stones and exchanging rings. They're scattering and sailing from Departure Bay. The house was bare of Christmas lights. It came down hard that year. Outside in our overcoats, drinking down to the bitter end, trying to make things right, like my mother did. Last year we were laughing, we sang in church so beautifully. Now our perfume's on the bathroom counter, and I'm sitting in the back pew crying. I just get home and then I leave again. It's long ago and far away. Now we're skimming stones and exchanging rings. They're scattering and sailing from Departure Bay. The song plays on the gramophone, and thoughts turn back to life. We took the long way to get back, like driving over the Malahat. Now a seaplane drones, and time has flown. All the glamour while my heart is beating and the lilacs bloom. But who knew when I started that I'd find a love and bring him home? Just get me there, and one day we'll stay. A long time off and far away. Now we're skimming stones and exchanging rings. We're scattering and diving in Departure